Default City Councilor Valerie Pratt, and I live near this intersection at Martinazzi Ave and Sagert Street, where we just completed a project adding traffic signals through our Tualatin Moving Forward lawn program. We received community complaints about vehicle congestion at the four-way stop that was previously here, especially during commuting hours. There were also concerns about safety, since it was difficult for pedestrians and bikers to navigate this intersection along with cars and buses. That is why we decided to include this as a signature project in our transportation bond project that was approved by voters in 2018. In addition to traffic signals to replace the stop signs, this project included rebuilding corners to provide new ADA compliant curb ramps, adding new sidewalks, and improved striping for bike lanes through the intersection. We would like to thank all of our community members for your patience during the construction of this project and hope you enjoy these project improvements here at Martinazzi Avenue and Sagert Street. For more information on the Transportation and Bond Program, visit www.tualatinmovingforward.com.